Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we are doing one video that is regarding XAMPP or regarding PhpMyAdmin. Okay, means nowadays we will face like how to change the table name in database. There will be a table, so how we can change the table name. Okay, that also we'll see, and how we can delete the database. Suppose if you are creating any database and if you don't want that database, then you will see how to delete, but sometime what will happen, you will not get how to delete and all. So that I will show you today. So for that, first what you need to do, you need to open the XAMPP and you need to start the server. Okay, then see, already I have started server, so I will go in this and okay, here I'll take different in Fisker hours only I will take, and I'll take localhost PhpMyAdmin. Okay, I'll show you that details. So this is our PhpMyAdmin where our all the databases are there. Yeah, these all are our database. Okay, suppose if you want to change the, I'll show you this. I'll take one database that is okay, which one shall I take? Okay, I'll take image API. This is a database. In this there are tables. See, these are the tables, that is users, images. Okay, these are the table names. Suppose if you want to change the name of this table, then how you can do? So for that, what you need to do, you need to go in images, then go in operations. Okay, first images, then operations. Then here you can see rename the table to. So images, I'll do images, image, I'll do image only. Image, already image is there here, so I'll change image new, like I'll do. We'll see whether it will change or not. So image new, I have changed that. Then go here. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, rename, see it is happened. Let me check now. See here, image new, we can see image API, here it is image new, means it is changed. Like this we can change the in database table name or column name, we can change. Okay, then suppose if you want to drop the database, if you want to delete the database, because see here I have lots of database here, like I don't want some database, I don't want, because that is no use for me, so that I want to delete. So for that, what you need to do, I'll take this database, so no, okay, I'll click on this database because I don't want that. Then go in operations, and here you can see drop the database, like, right? So just click on that, drop the database. Okay, see, it will what it will do, it will drop that database. Now we'll see that here you can see Sonu is not there, right? Means it is deleted. Now you can check here, there is no Sonu. So like this you can delete the database and you can change the column name. Okay, so I hope you got how to change the column name and how to delete the database. So if you have queries regarding this, then you can put in comment box, so we'll reply to that. And if you are liking our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please keep supporting us. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you.